the tone. Now I'm set on a Saturday night, 8 o'clock drunk in the dive, where I met you. My regret, it don't get no relief. Heartache is bearing its teeth. Don't it hurt when the love bites back? I was crazy and I wish I'd have known that you don't know what you got till it's gone. Now I'm on my knees, but you don't want me. Don't it hurt when the love bites back? I can get your name out of my mouth. There's a ghost of you around the house. Sometimes I see you, then I don't. Now I'm set on a Saturday night, 8 o'clock drunk in the dive, where I met you. My regret, it don't get no relief. Heartache is bearing its teeth. Don't it hurt when the love bites back? I was crazy and I wish I'd have known that you don't know what you got till it's gone. Now I'm on my knees, but you don't want me. Don't it hurt when the love bites back? And I realize I wanna be yours only when I watch you walk out the door. Now my tears fall fast as you walk on past. Don't it hurt when the love bites back? I was crazy and I wish I'd have known that you don't know what you got till it's gone. Now I'm on my knees, but you don't want me. Don't it hurt when the love bites back? And I realize I wanna be yours only when I watch you walk out the door. Now my tears fall fast as you walk on past. Don't it hurt when the love bites back? Now you don't want me. Don't it hurt when the love bites back?
This dance is called Love Bites Back, choreographed by Simon Ward and Niels Poulsen. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance. There are 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot big step, side, drag your left heel, open body to the left diagonal, and push your right hand to the left. Ball cross, side facing 12, 1/8 right to 130, right foot back, tap, left foot forward. Now you're facing 130, step left foot forward, 3/8 to your left, right foot back, facing 9 o'clock. Section 2, left foot, quarter turn left, side, hold ball, side. Now you're facing 6, jazz box, quarter turn to your right, right foot cross, 1/8 right, left foot back, 1/8 right, right foot side, facing 9, left foot, step, lock, step. Section 3, right foot, forward, tap, left foot behind, left foot back, half turn right, right foot forward, facing 3, step, left foot forward, tap, right foot behind, right foot back, left foot, half turn to your left, and stepping forward, facing 9. Last section, half turn left, right foot back, sweep your left over 2 counts, facing 3, left foot, diagonal rock back, recover, left foot, side rock, recover, facing 3, left foot, cross, shuffle. Now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this dance, there are 2 restarts. On wall 5 and wall 11, you will dance 16 counts, then restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 and wall 11, which counts starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the end of 16 counts. Now restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.